Watch me unbox this package from KFI, Knitting Fever Inc. I met the influencer marketer guy, Anthony, at H&H in Chicago. He sent me some goodies for me to swatch up, and can I design any blankets out of this? Okay. Okay. Let's see what's inside. Oh, goodness. At the top, I see some of this. It's like this really soft. It's called Louisa Harding Poofy, a luxurious brushed, extra fine merino designed in Tuscany. I don't know what I'm going to do with that, but it'll be fun. Here is, I cannot pronounce that, Araucanai Yarns Fiesta. This looks so fun. I don't know if this is self-striping or variegated or what. The Fiesta is virgin merino wool, ethically raised and harvested in South America. This one's a super bulky, weight 6. Bud yarn from Juniper Moons. Juniper Moons, because juniper and oaks, get it? This one is 100% cotton, organic Peruvian cotton. It's really pretty soft. And it's a size 5 bulky yarn. What should I pull out next? We'll go with some Juniper Moon. Oh, this is what I asked for. I asked for Cumulus, which is 94% cotton, 6% nylon. It's really quite soft. It's a size 4 worsted weight yarn. Ooh, look at that color. Maybe that could go with that. Well, that could look good. Really excited to experiment with this Cumulus. So we got Cirrus, which is really fun because this is the name of my husband's workplace, Cirrus. This is a number 3 lightweight yarn, and it is 100% Mako cotton. What do we think of that? Comment down below which ones do you think look good together for a overlay mosaic design. Now, here's some velvet, some Chanel yarn, velvety plush. This is Ellerue Cuddle. It's nice. This would be really good for like amigurumi stuffies. Now we got some Noro yarn. Suido, it's 100% wool. And Tsubame, which is silk wool in probably acrylic polyamide. This one says it's a 4. Yeah, this one's a 5. And I will experiment more with those. I really like this one. You know, you could put a 5 and a 4 together for mosaic. I got some ideas. Ooh, next and last, we've got a few Jody Long, which I met Jody Long in person at my yarn store. This is a Diamo light painted. It's a Peruvian Highland wool blended with superfine alpaca, 85% wool and 15% alpaca. This could be really fun to work up. I think these will go fairly well together. This will go fairly well together. Ooh, baby blanket? Yes, I think so. Knitting Fever, distributed a fine hand knit yarns and tools. And I'm hoping to work with them, create some designs, get it so that I can get my patterns and this yarn into your yarn shop. Wouldn't that be awesome? A lot of these yarns can be found at your local yarn store, so if any of these sounded awesome to you, go to your local yarn store and check it out. Which one of these yarns is your favorite? Have you tried any of them before? Give me your tips and tricks down below. And which one are you going to go run out and buy from your local yarn store right now? And as always, make sure you like, subscribe, and share.